Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're back on the 3D printer. So, the FlashForge ADX5, I did a video about the enclosure. So, what I've done is I've built the enclosure, I've put all the bits in, and I've made a few little custom tweaks to it. Now, before we go any further, if you haven't seen the first video, I suggest you check it out because it shows you how many bits you've got to print. It did take a long time to print it all. But when I show you in a minute, you decide if you think it was worth it. So what you need to do if you are new to this is you have to buy the enclosure kit. And basically what that has in it is the perspex to go on the machine with nuts and bolts to screw bits on. The catch is you have to download and print the whole enclosure. So you are getting the perspex, but you have to print everything else. Now, what I've done with mine is I've added a few little touches which I just thought makes it look a bit different. It is still all the enclosure kit, but I just chose to spec different colours for different things. So what we'll do is I'll go and take you over there now and you decide, put in the comments what you think, if it looks good, if it's worth it. Bearing in mind, I think the kit was $39.99 for the perspex, and then the rest is all 3D printed. And I'm not that in tune with how much everything costs, electric, everything else. But it's a bit of fun. And like I said, it does take 24 hours probably in printing time. I did go through a lot of black because that's the predominant colour of it. But anyway, without further ado, let's go and have a look. Okay, so now we're back. You can see everything you see has been printed. So this, these I put on as an extra. It came with that, but I put these on because I found that the filament tubes do knock it about, so it just keeps it. So that is, this surround was not on it. I added that. This was on it. The hinges, obviously here's a perspex. So, I mean, I think personally, it looks really good. Now, I mean, I think it's really good. And the quality of the printing, because that's just their file. And I use, if you want to know, I use this filament, and I used, now, this glow in the dark yellow, whoever makes it, I will have a look. That's where I got it from Amazon. Oh, does it ever break? I've had 2 breakages with it, so just be a bit careful if you do buy that. So, put in the comments, what do you think? You know, basically, it's all done. Now, before we talk about any more, I want to just talk about the pros of having it, because I have noticed a few things which has improved massively. Okay, so the pros of this is quieter. It's noticeably quieter, which is one of the reasons I did it, because I haven't got a massive house, so I could hear it whirring away. Mainly the fan, you can hear that fan noise. It's reduced that massively. Smell, dust, definitely 100% better. The other thing is the bed temperature, and I think they hold better, obviously, because it's enclosed. And when you put your fingers through where the tubes go, you can feel the heat in there, so it definitely keeps it warm. So, if I was going to rate that out of 10, the whole kit, the process, the build, the quality, the perspex is good, the print files are good, I'd give that a solid 8. The building time, the fiddliness, a 7. So overall, it's a 7.5, and I would recommend it. It's just a quick video. If you do want to know any more, please comment and I'll talk about anything, any process you want. And the other thing is, if you do have a bit of time, check out some of my farming or my INEOS videos or my other 3D printing videos. Everyone, thank you, and I'll catch you all soon.